Yo guys, you're watching WealthWise, and this is Bigfoot reporting live from the Titanic. Pretty awesome ship, not gonna lie.
Just had lunch, food was fire. We're cruising pretty fast, so we might make it to New York ahead of schedule. Put some W's in the chat for the Titanic, y'all.
Okay guys, so it's going down and the ship hit an iceberg. I'll keep y'all posted.
There wasn't no lifeboat, so I had to be creative. Make sure y'all subscribe to WealthWise for more updates.
With every passing day, AI is getting more and more advanced, and creating AI content like this is getting really easy. Now, all you need is a vision and write a few prompts and your video is ready. Gone are those days where you needed to create a script, then images, then voiceovers, videos, and then editing. Too much hassle. But today, I am going to show you a tool that can take care of everything for you, even video editing. And the intro you saw has been generated using the exact tool that I am going to show you. Now this is very advanced, and if used properly, then you can create viral content with just a few clicks. I will show you everything about this tool in great detail, so make sure you pay very close attention. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, the tool that I am talking about is called Nim. I have been using this tool for a while to generate content, and this is too good. It makes my video creation process a lot easier and faster. Now to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. Now from here, you can see some generations created by other users. You can go through them if you want, which can give inspiration or ideas to create something of your own. Now let's create some awesome videos with this. So I will click on this Create option, and it will take you to this interface. Now this is the main control center where you give your prompt and get creative. Now here you can see it has 3 different options. First, it has Story Mode, where you can just give it a prompt and it will generate the video for you. Next, we have the Image option, where you can generate images using any of the image models that you like. As you can see, it has all the best image models in one place. And then finally, it has the Video mode, where you can create text to videos or image to videos, and this too has all the best AI video models available in one place. First, let's try the Story mode, which is just crazy. Next, you need to write your prompt here. Now for the prompt, you don't have to be extremely detailed. You can just write the idea and it will enhance the prompt for you. So I will just give it this prompt. Next, you can change the aspect ratio from here if you want. Then from here, you can select the video length. Let's go with 40 seconds to 1 minute. And now here is the best part. If you click on Controls, then you will be able to control every aspect of the video, from image models to voice characters to video style. So for the video style, I will go with Cinematic, but feel free to choose the style that you want from here. Next, for the image model, let's go with GPT image. Now for the tone of voice, I will go with the historian option, but you can choose according to your video topics. As you can see, it has so many options. Now from here, you can change the voice character if you want. I will keep it as it is. Now for the caption, I will keep it for all the scenes, and then I will set scene duration to 3 to 5 seconds to keep the video engaging throughout. And finally, you can select the image quality for GPT image. I will keep it at high and click on Generate. It will take some time to generate, and here is the output.
At sunrise, the Great Pyramid of Giza dominates the horizon, its scale asserting the formidable ambition of ancient Egypt. Constructed over 4,500 years ago as Pharaoh Khufu's tomb, it stands today as the oldest and largest structure on the Giza Plateau. Originally encased in gleaming white limestone.
Wow, that was awesome. So it was too easy, wasn't it? And the video doesn't look like a typical AI-generated garbage. It was actually very interesting. And most importantly, you can see the Nim AI was able to add motions to the images and also added transitions for each scene. Isn't this awesome? I am very much impressed with this. Now just imagine how easily you can make content. It's all up to you. Now you can upload this video as it is, or if you want to take it to the next level, then you can turn the images into videos. To do that, first click on the video. Then from here, you need to select Animate Scenes. Next, you need to select the video model. I will go with Kling because that's the best, and click on Generate. Now this process will take some time, so be patient. And here is the output.
At sunrise, the Great Pyramid of Giza dominates the horizon, its scale asserting the formidable ambition of ancient Egypt. Constructed over 4,500 years ago as Pharaoh Khufu's tomb, it stands today as the oldest and largest structure on the Giza Plateau. Originally encased in gleaming white limestone, the pyramid reached 146.6 meters, maintaining the record for world's tallest human-made structure for nearly 4 millennia. Each side spans 230 meters, encompassing an area comparable to 10 soccer fields. Internally, the architectural precision is evident. The King's Chamber, built with massive granite from Aswan, the Queen's Chamber, and the enigmatic Grand Gallery. Air shafts, whose true purpose, practical or spiritual, remains debated, further complicate our understanding of its design. Meticulous assembly of 2.3 million limestone blocks by skilled laborers, not slaves.
Wow, this video is now more interesting and engaging, isn't it? And Kling AI did a fantastic job here turning the images into videos. Now, using this story feature in NIM, you can create so much engaging content, and you can already see how good the generated videos are, not like some random robotic AI slobs we see on the internet. If you are a beginner, then definitely you need to try this to get started because it can also take care of the editing part for you. And now let's test the image and video feature it has. So I will choose image from here, and for the image model, let's go with Google's latest model, Imagine 4. Now in the prompt, I will write this simple prompt and click on generate. And here is the output. It looks good, but honestly, it doesn't look cinematic. The details are great, but not exactly what I was looking for. Now let's test the same prompt with Flux, so I will choose Flux and then hit generate. And here is the output. Now this is what I was talking about. Just look at that image. It really looks like a scene from a movie, doesn't it? It looks really nice, and the details on the man and the ship are just too good. Now for cinematic images, Flux has literally no competition. This is even better than GPT Image, which is also one of my favorite image generators. Now let's try the GPT Image. So I will select it from here. For the prompt, I will give it this prompt and hit generate. Here's the result. As you can see, this looks absolutely stunning. Now, if you want realistic or more creative images, then ChatGPT is the best option, and it performs even better than Flux in some cases. And now let's try the video feature and create something awesome. First, let's try Google VO3, which has literally taken the internet by storm. Now for the prompt, I will paste this prompt that I have generated using ChatGPT and click on generate. And here is the output.
Yo guys, you're watching WealthWise, and this is Bigfoot reporting live from the Titanic. Pretty awesome ship, not gonna lie.
Wow, that was awesome and hilarious. Videos like this are going absolutely viral on every social media platform, and now you also know how to make them. And trust me, people are making all kinds of hilarious videos using VO3 and gaining thousands of followers within days. And now let's generate one image to video. So I will upload the image I generated earlier from here. Next, for the video model, let's go with Kling's latest model. Now for the prompt, I will write a very basic prompt like this and hit generate. And here is the output. As you can see, the video looks awesome. The movements are very smooth without any kind of weird distortions, and it really looks like a movie scene. Now using this tool, you can create so much awesome cinematic content. Here is a movie trailer I created using Flux images, and I turned them into videos using Minimax. That was pretty cool, wasn't it? And you can do it too. You just have to be a little bit creative. I'm telling you, with videos like this, you can grow your YouTube channel very fast, and Nim can be the tool you need. Now, this tool is completely free to explore, but if you are really serious about creating awesome content, then you will have to buy the subscription to get complete access to this tool. And currently, they are offering amazing discounts, which you can get on your subscription. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this tool now. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.